What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a quick video on how to do a screenshot on a Windows 10 laptop. Okay, see this button right here? Here's your window button. Now you have this button up here. It says PRTSC. Okay, the first thing you do is push and hold the window button, and then press the PRTSC. So window button, did you see that? The screen just blinked. Again, I'm holding down the window button, and now I will press the PRTSC, and you seen the blink? Okay, now let's go to my pictures, and as you can see, that is the wallpaper, the screenshot. Awesome. Well, I just wanted to do this quick video so you can have an idea on how to do it. It's absolutely amazing. As you can see, this is the Internet Explorer, and this is the screenshot photo. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.